Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun Halloween video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a zombie paintbrush. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our zombie paintbrush, let's begin over here with the front of the brush. I'm going to start by making a line that's going to curve up and down. I'm going to make it come back, and I'm going to make another one here. Then I'm going to bring this back, and I'm going to put one more little point that goes out, and we're going to curve this up. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this out and come down. And we'll do one more. I'm going to curve this out and bring it back. Now starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. I'm going to make some little bumps right here. Then I'm going to bring this back, and we're going to curve this all the way down to here. Now, starting up here, I'm going to make a couple little bumpy lines so it kind of looks like the brain is showing. And then you can even put some little curly lines in here just to make it look like some extra details. Now, for the eyes, I'm going to make a circle here, and then another circle over here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to curve up, and one more here, just come down and curve it up. Starting here, I'm going to make a line across, and then a line that comes down and up. We'll make a curved line for the tongue, and then we'll put a couple little square shapes in here for teeth. I'm going to add an extra little line coming down each side of the eye. And we'll make a little drool in here. I want to make some little squiggly lines on here. And then a little line across here with some little lines across to make it look like it's some stitches. Then we're going to make a wavy line all across here. And I'm going to make some little lines coming out of here so it looks like the paintbrush has been really old or used a lot. And then I'm going to make a couple little lines right here. Then starting down here, I'm going to make some long kind of wavy lines to make it look like it's been painting. And there you go, there is your drawing of a zombie paintbrush. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.